Alrighty guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can help other people get paid good money to sell their photography and make a tidy sum of money yourself. Alright, so you're going to want to stick around and see this whole video, and I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. And as I said before, I'm going to show you how you can help other people make money with their quality photography that they've taken and get paid a nice tidy sum yourself in the process. Alrighty? Well guys, if this is your first time here to my videos and you're new to my channel, reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell either, because we're always putting up new videos to help you make money online and to bring financial freedom and time freedom into your life. And for you guys that have been here to my channel before, and you've watched my videos many times and you still haven't subscribed to the channel, boy, I don't know what's keeping you from it. Reach down there right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified, because I'm always uploading newer videos fairly regularly here on this channel to help bring financial freedom and time freedom into your life as well. Alrighty guys, alrighty, well, with all that out of the way, my name is Kevin Lehner with Kevin-Lehner.com, and we're going to get started in on this video here today. Right now I'm pretty anxious to show this to you. Alright, so we're going to come over here, of course, to our favorite Opera browser that we use, and we're going to load up Clickbank. We're going to be using Clickbank today. And what we did is at Clickbank, if you don't have a membership at Clickbank or an account, it's easy enough to get one. Just click the sign up or create an account and sign up for free with Clickbank. And when you do that, then you want to click on the marketplace. That'll bring you over here to this page right here, and you'll look down, and then you'll see all the different categories of products that you can market or sell as an affiliate, as you can see here. Now, what I've done, and all these have sub niches underneath of them too, all kinds of niches here, they all have subcategories with different products that you can market as well. But for today's video here, we're going to be using, I typed in, if you'll notice up here in their search engine, I typed in photos right here, and then just clicked on the little search magnifying glass there. It brings us over here to this, and what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to this particular one right here. It says photography jobs online 2019, get paid to take photos. Right now you can make up to $204.11 per sale with this, and it's a recurring income. In other words, every month, this is a membership thing, and every month that someone signs up and pays their membership fee, you get paid again. So it's recurring. Every month you get paid from the same person as long as they stay a member on the site. Okay, alright, so if we click on this link right here, it actually takes us over to here, and I've already done this pre-video here for you guys. And this is the sales page that they would come to, and where your affiliate link is going to bring them to this page right here. And if they can scroll down and read this right here, as we come down, you'll see that this company, they hook them up with companies that will pay them for their photography. And as we look down here, which, by the way, guys, this, as you can see here, this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're at. You can sign up to sell Clickbank products worldwide, and this particular product that you're selling today in this video is available worldwide, and it's free to do. Okay, alright, so if a person here joins up here, they just upload or submit online their photos. If they did 100 photos per month and they got an average download per day of 5 times per day at $1 per photograph, they could make $500 per week. See that right there? And they could make $2,000 per month at that rate. And it's a little calculator. They can come and you can see how many different photos that you upload and so on and so forth, and versus how much money you'll make and so on and so forth down through here. So this is what they'll see, this particular page here, And then if we click on the photography jobs online, we'll click on the affiliate link right down here, as you can see. That'll bring us over here, and you can see how much you can make as the affiliate selling this product, right? Marketing this product here. Now, if you got just 5 sales per day, that equal out to 150 members per month, you'd make over $2,000 per month yourself marketing this product. And then you can see down through here what it says, and I'll try to zoom in just a little bit here for you to help you out there. And you can see what it says here for a month 2 on just five sales a day, 4,000. Month 3, 6,000, and you can see it goes up from there. Month 5 on just 5 sales per day. At that point, you'd have about 600 members plus 150, 750 total, and that would put you at $10,000 per month, assuming that everybody stays a member, an active member for this. Now, on this, what will happen is if I can find it down through here, I'm not sure. This is the affiliate page here. I'll actually want to come back onto this page here and scroll down to the bottom. How you make that recurring income. If we click on the link here to join, it brings them over here, and you see they select a membership, okay, and then submit their photos. And then what it is they get a 7-day trial first for just $1, as you can see here. And then after that, if they like it and they continue their monthly membership to receive updates and unlimited support, it's only $27 per month to stay active in a membership on this. So, and you get recurring income every time they pay that, okay? All right, so enough about that. Now, so we have the product that we're going to market. How are we going to market it now? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to a site, and this is just one site. There are others that you can do this on. And remember, guys, I'm just going to tell you here at the outset that this is a numbers game. In other words, the more you post, the more chance you have for sales, right? That's the way internet marketing is. The more you post, the more content you post, the more chance you have for sales, okay? That's the way. It's no different with this right here, what I'm showing you today either. So we're going to come over to Pixabay. I think most of you have heard about this site, Pixabay. It's free photographs. You can download any of these photographs for free. It doesn't cost anything. You can see how many times they've been downloaded and so on and so forth, and down through here, and there are many pictures. Now, I came here and I typed in, for example, I typed in scenery up here, which I'll just do it again, scenery. Scenery photos, because I like scenery photos, like with pictures of land and mountains and sunsets and sunrises, those types of things. And as you can see, it brings up, and look at the good quality of these photos. These are all free photos, guys. So now, how are we going to make money with this? Well, we're going to help these people, because these people that are putting these good quality pictures or photos up on this site are letting people download them for free. They don't realize that they can actually make money with this. All right. So what we're going to do is, how you're going to make money with this is, we're going to click on one of these pictures here. It doesn't matter, just pick one and click on it, and then you see it brings you over here where you can see a little bit better shot of it, shows some more of their images here, and then talks a little bit about it down here. It's been downloaded. This particular photo right here, beautiful sunset, has been downloaded 100,144 times, and some people have commented over here on it as well. Now, what we're going to do, though, is we're going to click on the person's account name up here that has this particular account and uploads these pictures on Pixabay. So if we click on that, it takes us over to the profile, and you can see Blizniak is the name of the person that has this particular profile with all the pictures, and there's the one we were just looking at. And he's got many more, and you'll notice that the quality of these pictures are very good. Okay, they're very good quality pictures. You can see some of the stats on his account here. He's had almost 200,000 downloads of his pictures and likes, and favorited and comments, and then how many followers he has on his account here for his pictures. Now, how are we going to help this guy make money? Because he's letting people download these pictures for free. Well, we're going to help him make some money with these pictures, because these pictures are worth money. They're very good quality, as you can see. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here, and you see up here at the upper right where you can actually, so I guess so to speak, buy him a coffee, message him, and follow him as well. What we want to do is click on message here. So if we click on message, and we're going to message this person, Blizniak, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to type a nice message in here, and we're not going to try to be too salesy. We're just going to offer something to him. We're going to offer him this particular affiliate product, okay, that we're talking about on Clickbank, all right? You see where I'm going with this, right? All right, so let's just put in here, for example, so what we're going to do is we're going to type in here, make $2,000 per month selling your photos. All right, guys, and then we'll just put in down here, we'll say hi, Blizniak. If I'm spelling that right, Blizniak, and then put another line down here, and I'll say, I really love your photos. They are great quality. Sort of give him a little bit of, make him feel good about his pictures and stuff. They are great quality pictures, we'll say. Okay. And then next line down, we'll give a couple spaces, and we'll say, did you know that you can make lots of money with your photos? Question mark. Another couple of lines down, and we just simply say, you really should see this. And then a couple of dots or so after that. Come down a couple more lines, a couple more dots, and then click here to see this. And then we'll put a little colon there. And then we're going to come back to bit.ly where I showed you before, right? And we come over to bit.ly. We're going to put our Clickbank link. You see I've done this a couple of times already. And put your Clickbank link in there, the long one, and then after you get that, remember we go back over to Clickbank, and you just click on promote. It brings this up. Make sure that your nickname is in there, and then if you want, you can put photos in there so you know where your clicks come from. Alright, and then you click on generate hop links. Now I've already done this already, so if I come back over here to bit.ly, and I've pasted that in there, and then you click shorten, there'll be a link up there for shorten. Click on that, and we'll shorten that link up. So then we'll copy that link, and then we will test it out to make sure it goes to where we want it to go to, right? Which it does, as you can see. Alright, so then we'll come back to our message, and we will paste that bit.ly link right there. So and then we'll come down here, and I'll just type in thanks, comma, and then my name down below that. Okay, and you want to make sure you check this box here. So this little gadget box here. We're not a gadget, right? We're human. Check that, and it should give you the check mark there, and then you just click on submit after that, and then that will submit the message to him, and you'll see it. If I click on it, and you see up here at the top it says message has been sent, and that'll go away here in a second. There you go. So you see, guys, it's just a matter of doing this. The more times you do it, the more chances you have for sales, like I was saying, right? Alright, so then you just come back, and we'll come back a page, and then we'll pick another one, a couple pages here to get us back to the scenery photos, where we type scenery in up here. And then you just pick another one, and it doesn't matter which one. I mean, you guys could type in mountains or buildings or trees or cars or anything like that that you can think of that you want to do this, but it doesn't matter. It's the more you post, the more messages you send, the more chances for someone to click on your link and you to make a sale, right? So let's pick another good one here. For example, this one would be a good one right here to do. And so that's a pretty good picture there. So then again, click on over to that, click on that person's account you see right there. And then that brings you over to their account. And then all you're going to do, you can see all their pictures that they've uploaded. All down through here. Good quality photos. And then what we're going to do is click again. We're going to come over here to the right, click on message. And then we'll put in here, we'll say make $2,000 per month with your photos, right? Same thing. And then we'll down here again, we'll say hi. That person's name is free photos, so we'll say free dash photos. And then you just want to simply say again, I really love your photos. They are great quality. Okay, something along that line. You guys can copy this or you can make up your own. Just don't be real salesy. You just want to do it so that they're, you just want to offer it to them. Okay, and then down here and then say, did you know that you can make lots of money selling your photos? Okay, spell that right, we'll be in good shape. And question mark. And then down here, and just click here to see this. And then colon, and then we will put our bit.ly link right there again. Okay, so that they can click on it. When they click on it, then we'll have a chance to make a sale, right? So the more you do it, the more chance you have. All right, and then just come down a couple of lines and just say thanks, comma, and then put your name in there. Check the little I'm not a robot box here. The submit link comes up, and then just click on submit. As you can see up here at the top, message has been sent. So you see, guys, that's how you can do this. You can make lots of money doing this. By the more times that you send these messages to people, the more chances you have for sales. Okay? And this is not the only site. You can also do the same thing on Flickr.com as well. Alrighty, guys, well, that's what I had for you today. I wanted to show you this really cool way to make sales with Clickbank products for you. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to reach down there and click that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified, because I'm always coming out with videos here to help you guys make money online. Okay? And if you want to see my #1 recommended business, click that first link in the description down there below the video where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over and check that out, and you can make up to $4,000 in one day possibility with this, and have your own business up and running within 15 days in affiliate marketing with all the knowledge you need to make it successful as well. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here real soon on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.